Write down the steps for moving text. To move text in PowerPoint, first select the text you want to move. Right-click and choose Cut or press Ctrl X. Then click at the place where you want to move the text. Right-click and select Paste or press Ctrl V. The selected text will be moved to the new location. This helps in rearranging text easily on slides. Explain alignment and its types. Alignment means arranging text properly on a slide. In PowerPoint, alignment helps make the text neat and readable. There are mainly 4 types of alignment: left alignment, where text is aligned to the left margin; center alignment, where text is placed in the center; right alignment, where text is aligned to the right margin; and justify, where text is evenly aligned on both left and right sides. How can you create a bullet list? To create a bullet list in PowerPoint, first select the text or click inside a text box. Click on the Home tab and then click on the Bullets button in the Paragraph group. Each line of text will appear with a bullet symbol. You can press Enter to add more bullet points. Bullet lists help present information clearly and attractively. What do you mean by undo and redo action? The undo action is used to reverse the last action performed in PowerPoint, such as deleting text or formatting changes. It can be done by clicking the Undo button or pressing Ctrl Z. The redo action restores the action that was undone and can be done by clicking the Redo button or pressing Ctrl Y. These actions help correct mistakes easily. Explain the term text formatting. Text formatting means changing the appearance of text to make it more attractive and readable. In PowerPoint, text formatting includes changing the font style, font size, font color, and applying effects like bold, italic, and underline. Proper text formatting helps highlight important points and improves the overall look of a presentation. How can you create a numbered list in PowerPoint? To create a numbered list in PowerPoint, select the text or click inside a text box. Go to the Home tab and click on the Numbering button in the Paragraph group. Numbers will appear before each line of text. Press Enter to add the next number. Numbered lists are useful for showing steps or sequence in a presentation.